Okay, go. I can't hear you with that thing in your mouth. Pull it out of your mouth and sing. Jesus loves you. He does? You're gonna jump? Oh, be careful. You're gonna jump so high. Oh my goodness. Are you sick? Oh. Here, come over here. You're sick, Eli? What's the matter with you? What's the matter? You don't look very sick.
Come on down.
No, no jail.